Where did you get this from?
Lowe's.
How much?
Huh? I got it on a, what do you call it, gift certificate. This is probably the stand. So I will probably put this together before I take the rest of it out, because this is going to set on the top of the stand. I think that would be the best thing to do.
Oh, Riley Skylar wanna help?
You want to help, Daddy? Okay, it's really hard.
Ask Daddy what he just got from Lowe's.
So this is called a table saw.
Table saw.
The other one is a miter saw.
Oh, there is another one? Oh.
The one I got from Amazon. And the difference is, on a board, the length of the board or whatever, you know how boards are really long?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to cut and make that board like really narrow, use the table saw and it'll cut, you know, a nice straight line. Now for the shorter cuts, use the miter saw.
Oh, the one you got from Amazon.
Yeah, that one does the shorter cuts. This one does the really long, when you have to rip a long board or whatever.
So this is the one he got from Amazon. Man,
That is
you just got it and it's already dusty.
I think it was.
So this is for the smaller, what? For the smaller,
That's for the smaller cuts. The shorter
smaller
cuts,
cut.
The shorter cuts.
Shorter cut.
This, the table saw does the long cut.
You think we're gonna have enough space here in our little living room?
It's not gonna stay in here, of course. I'm not gonna. I'll be probably using it on the deck to do my cuts and stuff. It's way too loud in here. You're gonna be hollering that I'm too loud.
No, I mean you're gonna put this together right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it together right here.
You being nosy again, huh? You know that big box over there is not for you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Levers you push in, then it'll lock in place. This one side.
You hear that, Patrick? You hear that? Huh?
See the lever on the inside, you just squeeze it. And actually, I guess you do this. And it'll lock in place.
That's really easy. I can do that.
And it'll lock in place. And then these two will go together. And then there's going to be some more construction to, you know, because this is it'll be held together so it doesn't come.
Oh, it's
apart.
heavy.
Right.
It's heavy. I mean, it looks light.
So that's all I know at the moment.
That's not for Barbie's color. Not for baby. Not for Barbie. Move.
Okay, where'd it go? Thank you. Everybody's in my circle. We're on the bus. Daddy gotta put the nut on there too, okay? You helping, Daddy?
Oh, she's helping. Including the dog helping. Oh, yeah, Patrick. Yeah, you gonna help? The wheel on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. So what is this wheel for? When you
So when you fold the legs in, then there's going to be a handle on this side so you can roll it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, that's why the legs will fold in, and then you can lift it up on one side and then roll it on the wheels. I know it looks kind of weird right there, wheels way up there, but that's why. Set it on there. Board rest on there while you feed it through, and it also came with like a push stick so you can push the board, so keep your hands away from the saw. See, this will be the saw. It's got, you can roll it underneath the table so it doesn't, kids don't mess with it or whatever while it's not in use.
Ah, nice.
So for safety, you can put it all the way flat so kids don't get hurt on it. Even if you start it, they, Is this it? Not the feature to make an angled cut, but some reason so you can extend this way out if you need to, depending on how wide you're going on your board, so you can go up to that wide of a cut. As close as you need to go with it. So if you need to make a really narrow cut, which is what I'll be doing, is be making some really narrow boards, and I'll just be slide it along there.
Okay. Okay, you like?
This is really nice. Really nice. I'm liking it.
But it's gonna be loud.
But you can, okay, we're gonna go back up with the saw. Maybe, okay. Oh, no, I didn't do the right thing here. What's going on here? There we go. We'll go back up with the saw and show you that we can also do angled cuts. If you need to do like some kind of an angle, the saw will tilt to whatever degree you need to, up to 45 degrees it looks like. So here's all the way up. Then if you need to do an angle, you can angle the saw up to 45 degrees for your angle.
You understand it, Patrick? You get it? Huh? Do you understand that? So are you done building this or put them together?
Yep, this is completely done. That lifts, that's when the board goes through, it lifts up. It's kind of a guard for the saw, so keep your hands out of the saw,
Alright.
Keep it, the saw from hurting you. See how they keep going down? Then if you lift it, you can see the saw. So that way your hand's always away from the getting cut or whatever, so.
Alright.
And this is a push tool to push the board along.
Cool. Alright. Let's build something. Wow. So where did you get this from?
Amazon. They have them at Lowe's, they have them at other hardware stores like that, but I got it off of Amazon.
It's really nice setup. So look at my dog. Look at. See, it's been raining all night, and then the backyard is muddy today. Look at my dog. You wanna go inside? Huh? It's gonna rain again here soon. Let's go. Let's go inside. You're gonna get wet.